from Saving Mamacita, and today, as you can see, I have a super big surprise here waiting for me to open. I am so excited for this. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for this to come. I've been tracking the shipping. I've been online looking and looking, seeing where my package is, and finally it's here. It's a big one, you guys. It's huge. Look at this. Whew. I can do some lifts with it, get warmed up before we get going. Ooh, I better be careful. I don't know if there's anything breakable in here or not. I can tell you right now that there are some super awesome add-ons that I ordered. I don't know if you guys are familiar with it, but they open up a shop before you can pick your items for customization. They have them at heavily discounted prices, and so I did a little shopping. I wanted to open this package with Lola, but I have to tell you, there are some items in here that I ordered for her for Christmas. So obviously she cannot be here with me opening, sadly, but we're gonna have some fun opening it ourselves, and then I can show you what she got. So I haven't opened it yet. I've been waiting for you all, and so now we're gonna get to it. This is the Winter FabFitFun edition. So big. Huge box. Okay. Da-da-da. Oh, I got all the packing, paper, Ooh, you guys. There's some super cool things in here. Okay, let's start with the add-ons because these things were too cute for me to pass up. This one in particular is gonna go to my Lola. This is one of the add-ons. It is a Simply Whimsical Crazy Cat apron set. How adorable is that? I mean, if you're not cooking with a cat apron, are you really even cooking? I mean, seriously. This is so adorable. It has little cats all over it. And my Lola's gonna love it. I love it so much. That was one of the add-ons. Here's another add-on. It looks like I got the slipper socks. They're really cozy socks. Look how soft these are. Goodness. I think these are gonna go to Autumn. These are her stockings. These are some really cute socks, pink socks. Be quiet, but I don't know if somebody's outside listening. You're listening out there. You're rooting your present. Okay, so here's the socks. Okay, and another add-on that I did. These look super cool. This is going to be another, I should move this up a little further so you guys can see. This is Take Me Away, 5 tech must-haves. So inside it has a phone tablet stand. It has a pouch for holding everything, along with a wall charger, earbuds, a 3-in-1 charger. And that's all in this cute little bag. And that is going to go in the stocking for one of my girls. I haven't decided which one yet, but how cute is that? It has everything you could possibly want as far as your tech devices go. Earbuds, charger, stand, all that fun stuff. And a cute little bag. Okay, so that's another add-on. Oh my gosh. These I'm giving to Lola. She will love these. Look at these, you guys. These are llama socks. How adorable. They're really soft. They've got the Sherpa feel to them. Slipper socks. Oh my gosh. And it looks like they have the grips on the bottom too, so you're not sliding around in the house, although she probably wouldn't mind that. She loves skating around the house in socks. So So those are super cute. And then my other add-on, oh yeah, I forgot I ordered these. These are Kur, K-U-R, London Town, Perfecting Nail Veil. So we have some nail polish, 3 of them. So I'll probably stick those in stockings as well for my girls. From my girls. From my girls at. Okay, this one I am going to try. Oh, it looks like it already kind of busted a little bit here, but it'll be fine. The zipper broke. It is the black charcoal teeth whitening powder. So we're going to try that in a separate video, I think. It has a charcoal powder along with a toothbrush and the whitening toothpaste. So we're going to give that a try in a separate video. That was another one of my add-ons. Put that aside. Oh, these are so adorable. Okay. These are called, it's a set of 3 mini holiday light cups. Look how cute those are. How adorable. It comes with 3 holiday light cups, and then they come with plastic straws as well. So it makes kind of a fun little party gift for your hostess, or just for a home party, whatever, holiday party. Those are so adorable. I couldn't resist those either. I'm a sucker for the add-ons. What can I say? Okay, so those are the add-ons that I received, that I ordered, I should say. And then on to the main event. The main event. Okay, let me go ahead and show you guys these again. The llama socks. The nail polish. The cute little tech kit. The socks. Soft socks. The black tooth whitening, charcoal tooth whitening kit. We will do that later. The holiday cups. And the cute, adorable kitty apron set. Yay! Okay, so those are my add-ons that I did. Now, let's get to the actual winter box. You guys ready for this? I'm ready for this. Put it here. Isn't it a cute little box? Little girl skating on it. How adorable is that? I just love their cute little graphics that they put onto their boxes. Make them so fun and festive. So, I'm excited to open it. Are you guys ready? You guys ready? Okay, here we go. I think I have it upside down. Yes, I do. I have it upside down. Okay. Here we go. Opening it up. Oh, adorable. And that's what it looks like inside. I got a magazine, the FabFitFun Winter magazine. It has Maria Shriver on the cover. Is she just a gem? I will read that later. Looks like it has some fun articles, and it includes the items that are in your box. You can read more about those. Pass this on to a friend who would love FabFitFun. We will do that. I actually have a code for you guys if you're interested in getting your own box. You can get a discount on your first box using my specific code. If you're interested, I will include that down in the comments. A discount off America's Meal Kit, HelloFresh. I can get a $90 gift card for that. And here's the pretty box. We are are going to open it. All right, here we go. I love doing this. Okay. Oh. So many pretty things. Look at you guys. Okay, so the customization, I was able to choose 3 products that I absolutely wanted included in my box. And the first one, this was a no-brainer for me. I love warm, cozy blankets. This is the blanket that I got. It is looks more like an ivory color. It is so plush. Look at that. Look at how soft it looks, you guys. It feels so cozy. And I think it's pretty good size too. Yeah, 50 by 60. So it's definitely something that you could wrap yourself in, get all cozy in, which I should actually do, shouldn't I? I should. Let's open this sucker. Use my muscles. Okay, so this was one of them that I absolutely wanted included in my box. And, oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. It is a good, decent size. I can wrap myself in it. Oh, yeah, that is amazing. Very soft, very, very plush. I love it. Okay, the second thing this one I think I did not request, but they chose this one for me. It's called Cuccio. Is that how you say it? C-U-C-C-I-O, Cuccio. Yoga Calm plus Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Oh, yeah, that would be really cool. It has lavender oil in it. Sounds like something that you could use in the nighttime to relax, calm down. Yeah, that is cool. Yeah, I definitely will try that one. Here is another one. It's called Prep Rally from Dry Bar. Oh, I love the Dry Bar brand. Dry Bar brand. This is a prime and prep detangler for your hair. So, yeah, I will definitely use that. My hair is always a tangled mess. So this would be awesome to use. Oh, I do have one of these already, but a smaller version. This is the makeup eraser. I don't know if you guys have heard of this. It's basically a cloth that you use to remove your makeup. So I got that. That's a nice, it is nice. It does work very well. So I will keep that for myself, I think. Okay, here is, oh, this is the other one that I requested. This is the Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. Okay, I have a confession. I have never used false eyelashes before. So I'm going to do a separate video with these, and you guys can put these on with me. So we will do that in another video. The lashes. Oh, yes. This is something that I will love. It's called Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner. So basically, you use your makeup brush on it in between colors to clean it off. Kind of cool if you're only using a few brushes. You can clean it off instantly while you're switching through. So awesome, Color Switch. I will definitely use that one. Oh, look at this. Proof is in the pudding, babe. Eyeshadow palettes. That is cool. Let's look at it. Look at it. It's so cute. Look at that. I love their packaging, and oh, how pretty. Those are colors I definitely would wear. Look at those. A lot of neutral browns and shimmery. Awesome. It has fun little names on them. Bread pudding, nana pudding, butterscotch, spiced caramel, mango pudding. So yeah, very cool. And that's by Beauty Bakery. That's a nice palette. Very nice palette. Okay, and here was the third item that I requested for customization in my box. Slippers. Who doesn't love sweater slippers? I mean, seriously, look how soft and amazing those look. Let's open them up. These are gray, and they have the faux fur inside. They're slip-on slippers. They don't have a back to them, so you just slide them on. Nice rubber grip on the bottom. Yeah, they are. They're super cute. So that's everything in my box. You know, I don't even know what my favorite item is. I love everything. I really do. The slippers are so adorable. This blanket, okay, this blanket is everything. It is everything. I love it. Yeah, I'm going to use this tonight. I am going to I'll probably give this one away as a gift because I already have one of these. They work amazing. The Prime and Detangler, yes. I love everything, you guys. There's not one thing that I am unsure about. The eye palette is super awesome. But for sure, the blanket is thebomb.com. Not gonna lie. So you guys, in another video, I am going to put the lashes on for you. You can laugh at me while I do that. And I will also do the charcoal tooth whitening, so you can see that. I have never done the charcoal tooth whitening in any brand ever, but I know that it is kind of the craze right now, so that's why I wanted to try it out as one of my add-ons. So we will do that in another video, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, look at all these super awesome things that I got. Some of them I'm going to be gifting. Yeah, it's super, super fun to get these boxes every season. I think this is probably my favorite one so far because the customization items were things that I love and I will use. So yeah, let's take a shot of everything that I got. And you guys can take a look. If you're interested in getting your own FabFitFun box, just take a look at the website. And if you're interested, I do have a code where you can get $10 off your first box. So definitely worth it. Thanks so much for watching with me, you guys. And I will be back again soon with some more fun. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And you can be well